control freak Pete is like, is this gonna be okay?
I'm about to go fly in a plane that can land itself. It answers the age-old question, what happens if your pilot can't fly anymore?
So
That's it?
That's the button.
And it's red, it's very eye-catching.
It's red, yes. It's an emergency system.
That system is called Safe Return Auto Land, meant to save passengers with no flying experience if the pilot becomes incapacitated, which happens on private planes more often than you'd think.
Okay, so just do it?
Just do it.
Okay, here we go.
Now, I'm along for the ride.
Emergency Auto Land activating.
Okay.
This is a demonstration by Cirrus Aircraft, which is now installing this in its entry-level planes with one engine and one pilot.
So this is essentially an autonomous airplane now.
Absolutely.
This is kind of weird for me.
I know. It is.
Like-
Well, if you can think about it, like the autopilot is flying the airplane, but the safe return system is me acting as the pilot.
Safe Return is now making all the judgment calls, flying around hazards and lining up with the best runway.
Throttle came out. Hands off.
Hands off, feet off. And beautiful.
Pretty good landing, all told.
And so those brakes are going to start engaging. Here we are.
There they are.
Right on the center line.
The system brings the plane to a stop and even shuts down the engine. The latest safety innovation meant to save lives in the sky.
2 Papa Lima, turn left.
Pretty impressive. That was fun.
Pretty cool.
Nice job.